Yo guys, we've got pork product on the table. I'll be right back with the bacon wrapped butternut squash fable. We've got cast iron on the flame, so come right back because this one won't be lame. Woo! Keep it paleo. Alright guys, this one's a really quick and simple. It's pretty much a carb source. We got a little protein, and then we're gonna pair that up with some fat with our Massie Mayo right here, okay? So, a couple butternut squash cooked off. If you don't know how to do this, just search the weekly veggie prep video, and you'll see how to do that. Just get in, it's underside usually holds a little tightly. And once we get around, this should just peel right off. We'll cut that into discs. Let's go right there. All right, from there, we'll take our pucks, lay them out, one piece of bacon here. Let's go that, roll it around like that, and then I'm just gonna cut it there, set it, but don't forget it, all right? We'll get that going. Just gotta make sure to seal the seam right here. Double wrap. Looking for some good caramelization. We don't want to cook in too hot right away because it'll be too dark before the bacon is cooked through. So nice like 350 temperatures where we want it. Check it out, here's what it looks like. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We got 6 slices out of each one. Just one seam wrapped around, just to the point where we're about to start turning them. I turned this one, but I'm gonna let the rest of these guys kind of heat up a little bit. I'd like it a little darker than that before I turn it, is what I'm saying. We got 2 large cloves of garlic. We're gonna make a little kind of pesto style aioli, basil aioli, however you wanna look at it. Get our salt. Paste it up. Strong garlic. Boom. Right in there. A couple healthy dollops of our Massie Mayo. Always have that on hand. Get a little lemon in there. Watch for the seeds. Mix that up, and then to bring in a little color, we'll grab some basil. Happy with that. Oh yeah, the garlic's coming through. I love it. Nothing like an afternoon full of garlic breath, right? There we go. Popping. We're gonna call that good. Whoa, yeah, buddy. Now we're talking. These couple might have got away from us a little bit, but they're fine. Show up to the potluck with that, they're gonna think you're a culinary ninja. Bacon and basil. Kind of like shakas and snatches, right? Bacon and basil, it's gonna be my new barbell club, huh? Here we are with our bacon wrapped butternut squash pucks. We got our pesto aioli, little bacon bits, fried basil, all garnished out. This plate represents some good carbs, a little protein, and some healthy fat. It's begging for more protein, so when you go to that potluck, I want you to bring another platter full of Italian grilled chicken. That's up next. I'm Paleo Nick, doing what I can to help you keep it paleo.